All right, guys, there you go. I got the decal installed. The number 5, baby. Yep. There she is. The number 5. The Sledge, baby. The Traxxas Sledge. And the 2021 Evo. Still have her. And then my 2020 X Max. Well, guys, this 2020 X Max, this is an awesome truck. The X Max is down. And these are a lot of upgrades. The X Max finally has some problems. Because, the cooling fan quit working on me. So the X Max is 2 years old. And I took good care of it. I love this X Max. This X Max is an awesome truck. Sledge and the X Max. X Max and the Sledge. Still got my 2020 Whistler 4x4 VXL. There it is, man. 2022 Bandit VXL. There it is, man. They all here. They all here. Yes. See the difference? I'm gonna put a GoPro camera, put my GoPro camera right about here. The problem is it's gonna block this color, but it's all right. I'll put it right here. Yeah, get one of those GoPro camera mounts. I'll stick it right here, and then make adjustment, and then I can stick it right there. Adjust the shocks a little bit, and then boom, there you go, baby. Yep. Sledge, Traxxas Sledge, the Traxxas Sledge. I got the Sledge, Traxxas Sledge, Sledge gonna beat your Porsche, Sledge, it's better than armored trucks. Sledge, we'll be hunting armored trucks. Sledge, we'll be hunting the TRX and Nature Addiction. You punks, let's race. Black and orange, baby. Sledge!